Oh, it actually tells you like how much is filled up.